To manage your Ocrolus document taxonomy mapping for your Encompass organization, navigate to the Encompass Mapping tab within your account settings on Dashboard. Scroll down to the form category or individual form type that you wish to edit and click on Click to Add Mapping. Within this pop-up, enter in the desired eFolder location for this form type or form category. Note that when making adjustments to a form category, all form types that live in that category will be overridden with this eFolder location. Click on Done when you're finished. See now that all form types within this category will route to the same eFolder location as the parent. If you wish to make modifications at an individual form type level, click on this icon and click Edit. Now, you can enter in a different eFolder location for this individual form type. Click Done when you're finished. See now that this form type will route to a different eFolder location than the other form types within this category. You can also reset to default, which will then assume the parent category eFolder location.